KGAF, popularly known as Kala Ghoda Arts Festival, is in its 15th year now. This festival marks the art culture and the diversity of our country. Here we have an experiment in which the globe of India and the India map is pinned on it. Here we have with us these 5 cycles which help to generate electricity through this device. This shows us that we need to have a cleaner and a safer environment. Here with me we have these few tin cans which are mainly rat cans. These cans have the most useless things of our life. For example, plastic, bags, paper, combs, which really don't make sense to us in our daily life. Behind me here is this huge enormous shoe which is painted golden in color. This shoe is sponsored by none other than the Metro showroom. This shows us that we need to have our basic amenities of our life. With me here we have is this Titanium sculpture which is 20 feet long. This sculpture has been designed by the tribal culture. This festival is not only about art and culture but also about a social service. Here we have with us is Sneha, an NGO which is only based in Dharavi as well as Santa Cruz. Here we have the owner.
No, I'm not the owner. We are all volunteers and work for NGO called Sneha. So yeah, yeah.
About this place.
We are a health-based NGO and taking care of children and women's health education. So this is part of the livelihood generation program wherein women from the neighboring slum areas come, we train them, and we have different products like table mats, quilts. Quilts is our main product where each quilt is sewn by a individual women. And no two quilts are the same, so we have other products like bags and table mats, table covers, cushion covers. And this is a lot of women from the neighboring areas have benefited from this project. This is a source of livelihood for them. So it's very encouraging for them. So all of them who are sitting here are part of this team.
Thank you. So as she said before, here we have different tablecloths. Here we have bed sheets, quilts, cushion covers. Here we have scarves which have been woven and sewn by these people themselves. This is the main livelihood and income for these people out here. Here we have with us is another shop here where there are vibrant and different colored bags which have been made of cotton and silk and different materials. Here there are also different very colorful, vibrant colored bags out here. As you can see on this side here, we have different materials used to make these things up. Here we have a wooden table clock, we have a serving tray, we have a lamp, there we have a letter and keyhole. These are all ecological things which have been made with which are made with things which do not spoil the environment but are very eco-friendly to the environment. Here with us we have this beautiful shop called the Museum. Here we have different types of earrings which are also called jhumkas, which can go with any outfit you wear. There are different colored beautiful jewelry out here, earrings, pendants, neck pieces, rings. They're very beautifully made and they are made by the people themselves. Here see, this is another continuation of the shop. They have scarves. Here they have different vibrant colored bags. There are books which are being made by them. There are those woolen colored sewn bags. Here these are these different boxes which have also been made by these people themselves. So this is about the whole festival of Kala Ghoda, which is culturally very diversified. So with cameraman Swapnil, Poojan Kashmiri from MRSC.